I just got a serious upgrade to my ITX motherboard, as Crucial sent me some of their top quality memory products. Starting off with the Crucial Pro DDR5 RAM 64GB kit, providing speeds up to 6000 MHz at 35 clock cycles. This means you can push for higher frame rates when gaming, and I especially adore the clean white origami-inspired design for that minimal look. Next, my main M2 SSD, Crucial's latest 5th Gen 2TB T705. It's set to deliver ultimate speed for gaming and content creation, with insane read speeds of up to 14,500 MB per second. To ensure I always have extra storage to hold media files for editing, I've also installed a second M2 SSD, a 4TB Gen4 T500. Gotta say I'm pretty pleased with the memory setup on this motherboard. What do you think?